How to create a PayPal account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create a PayPal account, you can either use the PayPal website or download the latest version of app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you visit the website, tap on the three menu which is on the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on sign up button. This will ask you to provide in your details if you already have an account, or you could give in the email address by which you would like to create the account. This will verify the Google account first and then tap on next. Then after provide in your mobile number and wait for the confirmation or verification. This can be done by the code that is sent to your mobile number. Once that is done, you can create a password for your PayPal account. Then after, fill in your details regarding your personal information such as first name, middle name and last name along with your date of birth. Then after, tap on next and give in your billing address and then tap on agree and create an account. Once that is done, your PayPal account is ready to use. Next step would be linking your bank account and you're good to go. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.